So today we're going to take a look at how you can work out someone's age from today's current date with their date of birth. And it's pretty simple. All we want to do is, first of all, we have our setup here. We have the date that we want to look at, 1st of January 1990, and what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to want to get today's date. So we're going to type in equals today, and we have a whole video on this as well about date functions. You can see that on our Excel playlist on our channel. So you see there, we got today's date, which is the 16th of October, and how now we're going to actually compare these two dates and get the age. So what we'll want to type in for that is equals DATEDIF. I'm going to open bracket, and we want to start with the date that's further away. So we're going to start with this one here. We're going to put a comma in, select today's date, which is B3, and then we're going to put another comma in, and we're going to put quotation marks Y, quotation marks. Now this will give us the years, but you can also put a D in there for days, and you can also put an M in there for months. So if we close this bracket off, you'll see that we get 32. And if I just show you what I was on about, if we go up here and just change this to D, it's going to give us the dates. The days, So we'll just change that back to Y. And there you go. It's worked out that it's 32 years ago. So that's how you work out the difference between dates in Excel. I hope you found it useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.